channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shayna Renee, and make sure you consider subscribing to my channel down below. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you guys are definitely not gonna want to miss what I have in store for you guys. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the bell notification to get notified when I post new videos. Today's video, guys, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple rainbow cut crease for you guys and showing you guys how to get this simple, really pretty rainbow cut crease. And it's almost springtime, so I'm going to be putting out some really pretty, really cool springtime looks soon. And this is just one of the many springtime looks I'm going to create this year. So when I think of spring, I think of rainbows, I think of storms, because where I'm at, we have a ton of storms and a ton of rain during the springtime. So I'm always thinking about rainbows during the springtime. So this is a perfect look if you are wanting to do something bold and rainbow-like. And it's not that much work. It doesn't really take that long. All it takes is building up the pigments and getting them to be as pigmented as you want them to and stuff like that. That's what takes the longest. I'm super proud of this look. I'm super happy about how it came out, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And thank you guys so much for the support so far. You guys have been amazing. We're at 1.2K subscribers now, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much, and I love you guys so much. Let's just get right into this video because I am so excited to show you guys how I got this rainbow cut crease, and I hope you guys will follow along and recreate this look as well, because it's so much fun. And if you have a couple hours to spare in your day, it's really fun to do. So let's just get right into it. I'm super hyped. Let's go. Okay guys, I've already primed my eyelids using the Maybelline Dream Creamy Brightening Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer to use for priming my eyes just because it's so sticky. Now we are going to go in and do a cut crease right away with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to be taking this little tiny flathead brush, just getting some of the product. And I'm just going to start doing a normal cut crease. Okay guys, once we have that concealer down, before that dries, I'm going to be going in with the B&H Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Palette Rio Edition. And I'm just going to be going in and starting the colors of the rainbow. So I'm just going to take this little flathead packing brush and wet it. Make sure it's all nice and damp and ready to go so the pigment will be able to stick. And I think I'm going to begin with this shade right here, this red. And I'm just going to go in and pack on right where I laid down the concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking this orange and doing the same thing. Now I'm taking this yellow. So now I'm going to take this green. This is a very pretty bright green. Now I'm taking this blue right here. And last but not least, I'm gonna take this purple. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna go in and clean up and blend anything that needs blended. Alright guys, this is pretty much what we're working with. Now I'm just gonna go in with some glitter. You can leave this out if you want to. It's totally up to you. I think I'm gonna be taking this light glitter right here. It's a light pink from the Bella Noir Trophy eyeshadow palette. And I'm just gonna take some lash glue and start from this. I'm just gonna start from the bottom right here. Now I'm just gonna be taking a tiny bit of this glitter and pop. Okay guys, this is pretty much what we're working with for the eye, and now I'm just gonna go in and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the final completed look. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final completed look, and I'm so happy with how this came out. This is really, really pretty for spring. This is really cool if you just want to do a really creative look, and it wasn't really that hard. It just took me a while to get the pigments how I wanted them and how bright I wanted them. So yeah, if you guys like this video, thank you so much for watching, by the way. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Comment down below what you would like to see next. I know you guys have been wanting me to do a cut crease tutorial, like an actual like in-depth cut crease tutorial, so I will get that out there for you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you go recreate this look for yourself because it's really fun and really pretty to do for spring. And if you do recreate this look, definitely make sure to tag me and let me know in your posts that you recreated this look, and I will be looking out for those posts. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.